Hey, it was really good, nation. Today I'm here with another video for Born Pretty. We have 6 colors here, but I only chose 4 to work with in the video. They are magnetic and reflective, and they do have names on them. Okay, Born Pretty, I see you stepping up to the plate. They don't have the milliliters on there, but we already know when using gel polish it's 15 milliliters. So I think these ones are actually 5 because they're kind of small, so I'll say 5 milliliters for these ones. A regular size nail polish bottle is 15 milliliters. Rule of thumb. But yeah, here I am displaying the colors that they are. Don't mind that it's dusty, so I did have it sitting for a while because I was waiting on a magnetic stick, but don't judge me. Please don't judge me. Here we go. We have the first one here, and here's the packaging as normal. So right here I'm showing you the consistency of the gel polishes. It is not too runny, it is not too thick, it is perfect, and you can rest assured that you will not lose your shape when you are using these gel polishes. I've already placed the acrylic on. By the way, this is the color Champagne by the Nail Plug. It's THENAILPLUGG.com. She has some really good acrylics, I'm telling y'all, and it's super beginner friendly. You will not flood the cuticle. It will not be slipping and sliding all over the place. Y'all need to go check that out. I will leave the link in the description box for this particular color and all of the colors that she offers. She is a well-known nail supply company, and she also supplies beginner and immediate and expert level acrylics. But anyway, here we are going in with our first coat of gel polish. This one is such a pretty color, and it is but it can be used as a background for stones. So you know, when you do like a full nail of stones and you have those gaps, you would use one of these type of polishes to go ahead and fill in the gaps. The color that I have on my nails is the color Shy, as well as those stones that are on my index and thumb finger. Those are her Ultimate Flame Box. So yeah, y'all need to go ahead and mosey on over to the Nail Plug and check her out. She has all kinds of goodies for seasons and reasons, and just because you want to buy something, because I know I'll be up late at night buying stuff. Trust me, if you go to her site, you will not be disappointed. Again, that is THENAILPLUGG.com, and I will leave that link down below. You can find these 2 colors, stones, stickers, decals, charms, kawaii charms, everything. But yeah, here's the second color, and I really like it. It's really translucent. I wouldn't say translucent, but it goes with any type of nude for underneath. Alright, here I am going with the third color, which is a reflective silver. say that. I'm not even about to butcher that, but y'all see it. And here we are going with the last color. This one is kind of similar to the second color, but it's on the silver side instead of having that pink tone. So it does cover up quite nicely. It goes with nudes and pinks, of course. As you can see here, you can see the silver peeking through it. I love how these polishes have good coverage, but it's not overbearing. So yeah, we're continuing on with the first coat. In the next clip is going to be the second one, and I'm going to go in with the reflective, and I'm going to give you my thoughts on that when we get there. right, y'all, we're about to put these to the test. Here is my magnet. We're going to see how magnetic these colors actually are. Here I am going in with the first color, which is the gold reflective, and we're going to see if the magnet works, and so far it's not. I see the pieces moving, but I don't see like a defined cat eye look. So if you look closely, you can see the pieces moving, but you can't see that defined cat eye look like this here. You can actually see it moving, and you can see the cat eye up here. Okay, final thoughts. I do like all of the gel polishes. 3 out of 4 is not bad. I did go back and see if that gold one was working, and it did not. All of the rest of them did, so I still give this an A+ in my book. It's not runny, it's not thick, it's not misshaping the nails. They are very pretty colors, very, very pretty colors. So with that being said, yeah, go ahead and pick these up. Till my next video, come on.